Ayan, withdraw natin. And then you'll receive within 24 hours, okay? Ayan, so as you can see guys, no, wala pang isang minuto is dumating na nga po yung Hi guys, kamusta po kayo and welcome back again sa akin pong YouTube channel. No? So for today's video nga, ay gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo itong bagong application na si Ballsort Color Soft Game. Okay, so free lang to guys at pwede po tayong kumita rito, no? Ayan, so play lang natin guys. Ayan, at kung gusto nyo i-try guys, no, isilalagay ko na lamang po, no, yung link dyan sa my description. Okay, so dito nga pala guys is kailangan po natin mag-login gamit po yung atin pong Google account. Okay? Ayan, so as you can see guys, nakapag-login na nga po tayo. No? So nandito na po tayo totally sa kanilang pinaka-homepage ng ating pong application. Okay, so dito guys, meron siyang tutorial, no? So i-click lang natin yan. And dito guys, no, is pagsama-samahin lang natin guys yung mga magkakakulay, no? So i-claim lang natin guys. Ayan, so as you can see, naka-earn po tayo ng 2,000, no? Ayan, and then meron nga po pala siyang VIP rito. So click lang natin yan. And then, claim lang natin, no? So, ayan guys, naka-claim tayo. So, kailangan guys, no, malaro natin to, no? Or ma-freeze natin, or ma-tow natin, no? So, kung mapapansin nyo, naka-freeze po siya. Okay? So, kailangan natin yon ito para pumakuha natin siya ng buo. Okay? So, ayan, click natin yan. And then, unfreeze natin. Okay? So, unfreeze natin. So, unfreeze ulit. So yun guys, nakuha po natin yung 30, ano. So kailangan talaga natin guys, no, ay maglaro ng maglaro, okay? So ayan, and then back lang muna natin. So meron siya naka-freeze guys na 10,970 na coins, okay? So 30 coins pa lang po yung withdrawable balance natin, okay? So ayan, and then meron nga po pala tayo dito guys na free. So click natin yan. And then guys, dito po is i-accept lang natin to. And then activate now lang natin. So on lang natin guys yung atin pong permit usage, no, sa kanilang application. And after that, balik po tayo sa kanilang application. And then guys, may lalabas dito ng mga application guys na pwede nyo pong i-download at laruin, no, para po mas marami tayong maipon na coins. So as you can see, max per task guys is 1,484 yung pwede natin makuha ang coins once na na-download at nilaro nyo po itong Solitaire Play. Okay, so ito pong application na to. So meron din pong ibang application guys. Ayan, meron tayong Screw and Fasteners Conundrum. Ayan, so max per task, ayan, 1,141. And then meron din pong Spot the Hidden Difference. Ayan, at marami pa pong iba. Ayan, Black Smash. At napakaraming application guys na pwede nyo pong i-download dito, nyo. So, kailangan nyo lamang po talaga is maglaro ng maglaro. Okay? So, gawin nyo lang guys yung mga task dito, no? At i-download mo siya at kahit bata guys, kayang-kaya pong laruin dito. Okay? So, ayan. And then, back lang natin. So, recommended ko to guys, no? Yung free game dito, no? So, dahil mas mabilis po tayo makapag-ipon ng coins doon. Okay? So other way guys, meron po tayong invite. So dito guys, mag-invite lamang po kayo, no? At ito po yung code natin. Gamitin nyo yan para pa makapag-earn po kayo ng up to 53,700. Okay? So yan po yung pwede natin ma-earn once na nag-invite po kayo. Okay? So i-share mo lang to guys sa inyong mga social media account, no? And then meron tayong daily task. So dito guys, gagawin mo lamang po yung mga task dito, no? So ayan, invite friends, ayan, 3. Play games, 2, ayan, pass level 10. Ito po yung pwede natin makuha, no? Ayan, 20, and then online time, and then pass 30 levels. Okay, so araw-araw yan guys, makaka-earn po tayo, no, ng mas mabilis. Ayan, so meron tayong achievement. So dito naman guys, no, invite friends need to pass level 15. So kapag nakapag-invite po kayo ng friends na naabot po yung level 15 sa game, meron po tayong ma-earn dyan. Okay, so meron din pong play games and pass levels. So napakarami guys ng way para po makapag-ipon. So kailangan lang talaga natin guys is konting pasensya and tiyaga sa kanilang application. Okay, so dadako naman po tayo guys sa kanila pong withdrawal. Okay, so punta tayo guys dito sa may coins. So yun guys, no, ang pwede natin gamitin dito is GCash. Okay, so kailangan natin guys, no, is mag-ipon lang ng coins. So yung 10k guys is equivalent po ng 1 peso. Okay, so ayan guys. And then ito po yung withdrawal rule po nila sa coin, no. Ayan. Only one withdrawal is allowed per day. Ayan, the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.2 pesos. Okay, so try natin guys withdraw ito, no. So kailangan natin dito i-click natin tong withdraw. Ayan, nilagay lang natin guys yung GCash account natin and confirm GCash account. Okay? Ayan, and after that guys, i-withdraw na po natin yung 0.2 kung darating po siya, no. Ayan, withdraw natin. And then you'll receive within 24 hours, okay? So, ayan guys, antayin na lang natin guys, no, na dumating sa ating GCash yung atin pong withdraw kung magbabayad nga po itong application na ito, okay? So, ayan, and then maglaro ka lang dito guys, no. Ayan, start game 2. So, ganito lang ang gagawin natin, no. Ayan, and then lipat natin dito. Okay, so ibaba muna natin yan guys, no. Ayan, so as you can see guys, no, wala pang isang minuto is dumating na nga po yung pinayout natin na 0.2 pesos. Okay, so napaka-legit nito guys, no, at ang kailangan mo lang dito is mag-ipon talaga ng points para po makapag-withdraw. Okay, so ayan, balik natin doon. Ayan. And then, balik natin dito. So, ganun lang guys kabilis yung laro po nila. So, kahit bata guys, kayang-kaya po niyang laruin. Okay? So, pwede natin niyang i-times 10 guys. Magiging 100 yan once na manonood po tayo na kanilang short ads. Okay? So, ayan at hanggang dito na lang muna guys yung ating video. And kita-kits po tayo sa mga susunod na video na ilalabas ko. And I hope na meron po kayo natutunan. And thank you for watching guys. Ingat po kayo and God bless you po.